In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Dola AI account. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to download the Dola AI app on your mobile device, or of course, you could do it on a computer from your browser as well. It's going to be pretty much the same thing. I just like to use it on my phone, so that's why I'll show you how to do it over here. Now, when you actually download the app from your App Store, or of course, Google Play, whatever you're using, you can see over here, when you open it for the first time, it's going to say you can continue with Google, phone, or Facebook. So select the method you want to use. I'm going to go with Google right now, tap on continue with Google, and then I'm going to select my Gmail over here, or of course Google account. I'm just going to continue with my account over here, and that's literally all you have to do whenever you do this. So Facebook account, you sign into that, or into Google account over here, you'll basically be signed into your account, and this is now your account. You've successfully created it. You can go to the bottom right where it says profile, and here you can see this is now your account. You can edit it by tapping on the edit profile button and do whatever you want with it, okay? So that's how to create a Dola AI account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.